Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video about Frankfurt, officially known as Frankfurt am Main, is one of Germany's most vibrant and dynamic cities. It is located in the state of Hesse, in central Germany, and is often referred to as the financial and cultural capital of the country. Here's an overview. Population, approximately 750,000, 2023, but the metropolitan area has over 5.5 million residents. Language, German is the official language, but English is widely spoken, especially in business settings. Currency, Euro. Frankfurt is the financial powerhouse of Germany and one of the leading financial centers in Europe. It is home to the European Central Bank, ECB, the Deutsche Bundesbank, Germany's central bank, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, one of the largest stock exchanges in the world, headquarters of major banks and financial institutions. Trade fairs. The city hosts major trade fairs, including the Frankfurt Book Fair and Automechanika. Frankfurt Airport, one of the busiest in Europe, connecting the city to destinations worldwide. Public transport, a highly efficient network of trains, S-Bahn and U-Bahn, trams, and buses. Connectivity, the city is a hub for high-speed trains, ICE, making it easy to reach other European cities. Museums, Frankfurt has a rich museum scene along the museum embankment, Museumsufer, featuring institutions like the Städel Museum, art, and the German Film Museum. Theater and opera, the Frankfurt Opera House is renowned globally. Skyline, known as Mainhattan, Frankfurt boasts Germany's most impressive skyline with modern skyscrapers alongside historical architecture. Old Town, the Römer, a historic city hall, St. Bartholomew's Cathedral, and the reconstructed Old Town offer a glimpse into Frankfurt's medieval past. Universities, home to prestigious institutions like Goethe University Frankfurt. Research, the city is at the forefront of scientific research, particularly in finance, technology, and medicine. Frankfurt traditional cuisine are Apfelwein, Apfelwein, a tangy apple cider. Grüne Soße, a green herb sauce served with boiled eggs or meat. Frankfurter Würstchen, a type of sausage. Global dining, as a multicultural city, Frankfurt offers diverse international cuisine. Frankfurt Book Fair, the largest book fair in the world. Museumsufer, a cultural festival along the River Main. Christmas Market, one of Germany's most atmospheric markets, featuring traditional crafts and foods. Frankfurt Recreation are parks and green spaces. The Palmengarten, Botanical Garden, and Grüneburgpark are popular spots. River Main, the river offers scenic walks, boat tours, and cycling routes. Frankfurt key challenges are housing. As a major economic hub, Frankfurt faces high demand for housing, leading to relatively high living costs. Diversity management, with over 40% of residents being foreign nationals, integrating diverse cultures is a focus area. Why visit Frankfurt? Frankfurt offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition, making it a must-visit destination for business travelers, culture enthusiasts, and history buffs. Whether you're exploring its bustling financial district, savoring local food, or wandering through its historical streets, the city promises a memorable experience. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.